From the mountains to the sea, different stories, one heartbeat. This is for the people, for the culture. I see the sunrise on the mountainside. Ancient stories where rock country, rock soft, rock fly. Voices of the past still echo strong. 1,000 years living in one song. Through village roads and city lights, families gathering on warm summer nights. A cup of tea and a welcome smile, making every stranger feel worthwhile. Hands in the air, let the memories rise. Different languages, same shining eyes. Every heartbeat carries a name. Different paths, but we all feel the same. Oh, mountains never fade. Oh, legends that we made. From Kurdish valleys to Turkish skies, a million dreams are still alive. Oh, let the music play. Let the people say, love and honor lead the way. Forever strong, forever we stay. The rhythm of the drum, the sound of the string. Every generation got a tale to sing. Dancing in a circle, standing side by side, keeping old traditions alive with pride. The wind carries stories across the land, written by time, never lost in the sand. Every road tells a different truth. Every child carries the fire of youth. Raise your voice, let the world hear your soul. Raise your hands, never let the spirit go. Through every storm, through every fight, the heart keeps burning like a guiding light. Yeah, built from dreams, built from hope. Through every challenge we learn to cope. Strong roots deep in the earth below. Strong hearts wherever we go. Respect the culture, respect the name, respect the people who carry the flame. Past the future, generation to generation, keeping alive a beautiful foundation. Oh, mountains never fade. Oh, legends that we made. From Kurdish valleys to Turkish skies, a million dreams are still alive. Oh, let the music play. Oh, let the people say, love and honor lead the way. Forever strong, forever we stay. From the mountains to the sea, one heart, one melody. Forever remembered, forever free.